Hello guys, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. And I believe all traders, you are doing good, my friend. I'm really happy today because we have managed to upgrade our flat TFX Flaticon Renko system because we really want people to make money no matter what. And for those people who have the Flaticon, you know what I'm saying. And you can imagine we have already upgraded to a higher level, my friend, so that you can milk money without stress. And this is because we said if you purchase our system, you'll always receive updates for free. And anyone with a Flaticon Renko EA, you can contact me to receive this. Let's go direct, guys. And I'm really happy, and because the testimony I'm hearing from people, we are all making money. Let's go direct and let's start. Or can I add another something here? Let's start by creating Renko. It's very simple when working with the TFX Renko system. It's very easy. You just pick a empty chart, plain chart like that one. Where is this Renko version 1? Say for let us save this to save time. I just want to show you something we added. It's very, very great. This makes me feel excited, guys. I'm very, very, very excited. And let me put that one. Let's go to EuroJPY. Let us create another Renko file here. I just want to do this thing fast as possible. Let's go to strategy 2. The other one, which, yeah, this one, let us create for strategy 3 so that I can make this video short. And because we all know how the TFX Flaticon system works. And I just want to show you something that we added, my friend. It's a great thing. It's a great thing because this is how this is the strategy 1, and this is the strategy 2 for TFX Flaticon Renko system, and this is the strategy 3. I know the previous one we only have 2 strategies, but this one we have a 3 strategy because we really want you to make a good money. And remember, having the 3 strategy is like having 3 robots in one system. So guys, you should clap for me. Anyway, clap for me because I think I have done something great for you guys. 3 robots in one system, that is a great deal. Now let's jump to strategy 1. This is how the strategy 1 looks like, even in the first in our first Flaticon Renko system. And we said that the system should take the trade after this arrow and the changing color over our trading master. Then that's when the Renko will, the robot will take the trades, and it will exit the trade after the opposite signal. And wait again the changing color of our trading master. Then it will pick sell. Then in this area it will close that sell, and again it will just pick a buy. And we noticed that sometimes before this arrow appeared, the market always is at this place. So you find that you miss some pips, you are in a good profit. You know, it's good to hold because maybe the market can continue going up. Like here, guys, what do you see here? What do you see here, my friend? Good profit. Then we saw that maybe when the market is reversing and maybe there is a small pullback, you lose some pips here, and already you saw it. And some guys say, oh, I saw $20, but it closed with $17. And guys, I missed like $30. I told them, guys, that is not a big issue because as long as the TFX, the DFXS is around, everything will be so great. And this is why we added the TFX Supreme for our old members, the real old members of the family. You remember the Supreme. Now the Supreme is back to collect the money in the market. Now, as you can see here, after taking this buy, before this arrow appeared, because the market was at this place, the Supreme would have closed that trade earlier, exactly at the turning point. You see, exactly at the turning point. So it doesn't matter whether the market will have a real pullback or no, but it will secure a good profit. As you can see here, there is no sell Supreme. And because there is no sell Supreme, the robot would have been holding for all this profit, guys. It will be only still holding the profit until when the supreme will appear. When the supreme will pop up, at that point it will close that. So this robot, this system, my friend, and surprisingly, I have almost added to all our robots because it has been doing a great job. We have been testing it. We have been working with it in our live account, and we know what we are saying. So this one, guys, it will hold a good, and before market reverse, instead of losing some pips, the supreme, it will secure a good profit. As you can see, it was here and there was a buy here, and at that point secure that profit. And when it says sell, the robot cannot buy because there is a supreme share. They are saying it is a sell. And because we know the strategy one of the Flacticon, it's all about buying and sell wherever there is an arrow, whether it is go up or down, nothing else. It will take buy, it will take sell, it will take buy, it will take sell, blah, 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 blah. As simple as that one. But now we have a supreme that will help you secure your early profit. Is very simple, guys. This is the system that is our system. They are very simple and accurate. Let's go to strategy 2. The strategy 2 of the Flacticon system. Let's go to a robot. Our strategy 2 of the Flacticon system, we have the super zone, ultimate arrows, and supreme together with our trading master. This means this is our super zone, this is our ultimate arrows, and this is our trading master. Then as we all know that it can only buy according to this direction of the market, because this is where we have a support, and because we have a support of our super zone, this is why it can only buy. It won't sell. Strategy 2, it won't sell, but strategy 1, it sell and buy as long as there is ultimate arrows. And but for the strategy 2, it can only buy or go sell according to the direction of the market, according to where our super zone, the one that indicates the strong resistance and support. As you can see here at this place, it can only buy because we have a super dem and we have ultimate arrow, and the changing color of our trading master, this is where it will take a buy. And the moment our supreme will appear, see where our supreme is, it will secure that profit of buy and wait another buy. It won't sell. Remember, this is the strategy 2, so it won't sell. Then it will wait for this another buy, which is here after our supreme ultimate, the changing color of our trading master, guys. It will pick that buy. Again, there is a good buy here, because this one it can't buy, because you can see we still have our supreme here, so it can't buy at this point. It can't buy at this point. It will wait until we have a supreme that also will confirm. Now it's a confirmed a buy market, then it will go straight like that one. If you are with this system now, you would have been trading this market with a good profit without without supreme. There is no the robot will still holding the market. This system now, guys, with the supreme, it's becoming so great and powerful, guys. This is a very simple. As you can see, guys, there's nothing to add at this point. As you can see on my chart, what do you expect from here? You can see we are from the support, and this is ultimate arrow, the changing color of the trading master. Then this is a good buy, and as you can see, we still have a supreme here waiting for a sell supreme. Then it can secure that market and waiting for is another buy opportunity. It's very great working with this system. Whether you are working with it manually, guys, that's when you'll be taking the trades. Remember, if you follow the rules correctly, guys, you'll make a lot of money. Let's go forward to strategy, the strategy that we added in the first one, our version 1. We didn't have the strategy 3. Now the strategy 3, there is no what we call there is no ultimate arrows. It's only support and resistance plus our supreme and our trading master. So for those people who may say, oh no, I don't want to work with the arrow, I would like to trade only with that trading master, blah 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 blah, then you need only support and resistance with our supreme. Then from there you can take the trades manually. So here there is no sell. There is no buy because we don't have a support. The support was here. So you can ride this market until the appearance of our Supreme. Simple as that, whether working manually, if you don't have time, it is time to earn and learn at the same time, because now the Supreme will help you secure early profit. Guys, what else do you want us to do? What else do you want from us? The only thing you want, it is to change your financial status. This is why we have to upgrade and update our system. And you know what, guys? Good news after good news. I don't want to say what is coming up, but guys, it is all about good news after good news with TFX Master. And guys, if you purchased, let me say this, maybe I don't know whether I forgot, you know, I'm very, very, very excited by our Flacticon system. If you purchase, you purchased the Flacticon, the version 1, guys, make sure you contact me so that I can send you this a golden system so that you can milk market and thank me later, because our aim, guys, it is to transform people's financial status. So I don't know what else to add. I don't know what else to do, my friend, because the Flacticon system, it's already updated and it's doing a great job, my friend. Purchase the system, and remember, now, because we are not celebrating our first anniversary, our Flacticon, any of our EA system is $500, guys, for lifetime and free updates. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. We love you, and let us change the financial status from the lives of people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.